Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can use the useThree as well as use controls hook with React 3 fiber. So let's get started. So I have just created a simple React application using Vite, and if you see my package.json file over here, I have just installed React 3 Dre, React 3 fiber, Leva and 3, and here I have also installed types 3 because I'm using TypeScript. Then inside app.tsx, all I have done is that inside our app I have created one canvas. I have used orbit controls, I have also used contact shadows, and here is our separate React component which I have created called cube mesh, and these are all the imports, so make sure you add all this input. Now you whenever you want to use this useThree, okay, useThree hook or this use controls hook, you can't directly write it over here, okay, because the because this needs to be a child. This useThree and use controls hook can only be used inside child components of your canvas element, okay, they can't directly used over here, so be very careful with that. That's why I need to create a separate React component with cube mesh. So there are a lot of things you can do with useThree as well as use controls. I have kept things simple here. First I'm just getting hold of our camera and I'm just updating the field of view of our camera. That's all I'm doing over here. And to update the field of view, I'm just created this controls using Leva. So I've created this 4 buttons, and on click of it we just change the field of view. I'll come back to the demo later on. And here I have created a use ref and I'm just changing the speed. So here is our use controls for speed as well. And inside use frame, so if you see, this use controls has been updated from Leva. So this use frame is used whenever you want to perform anything like 60 fps. So here you can see I'm just changing the rotation of our element with the help of this particular thing. So here we have just box geometry as well as mesh standard material, that's all. And here we are setting the ref as well. So if I just quickly show it to you, if I just play this, and currently if I just change the field of view first, here you can see small, normal, big, huge, okay. So I'll just make it back to normal, and if I just change the speed, here you can see our cube starts rotating. If I just change it too much, here you can see it would move much more faster. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.